In this video, we are going to learn architecture design journey. Over the years, software development moved away from traditional monolithic architectures because of the complexities with tight coupled and interconnected code. As a result, microservices are adopted many projects with using cloud-native approaches that enable distributed computing through multiple smaller services. So this course is a step-by-step process for software system design and evolve from monolithic application to the microservices following the pattern and principles. And we will refactor architectures with different aspects of microservices pillars like communications, data management, and so on. So that means we are going to design our journey monolithic, modular monolithic, microservices, and serverless microservices. This will be iteration design architecture from on-premises to cloud serverless environment, and we will evolve architecture monolithic to event-driven microservices, refactoring system design with step-by-step and handling millions of requests, and we will apply best practices when designing these architectures. So if you look at the different perspective, we will breaking down services our architecture from macroservices to nanoservices. You can see the image on the slide. We will start with the monolithic architectures, that is including the macroservices, where all business services are deployed as a single package in the application server and share the same databases. And we will continue to microservices, which including the independently developed, deployed, and managed communications with loosely coupling services. And lastly, we will evolve nanoservices. Nanoservices are designed to perform single function, so the output is exposed through a specific API endpoint and perform a specific task. So the question is, when we start any web application, which architecture approach we should choose? Monolithic, microservices, or serverless? So we will see during the course, but there is no default answer for this question. It always depends on your project. You can also set up your architecture in a transitional way, you can see in here, and use mixed architecture with together. So that means you can make microservices and make some part of macroservices and take some part of serverless nanoservice functions. Also, we will discuss vertical considerations of our architecture, and we will discuss microservices with all aspects. These are the microservices building blocks, which is the microservice decomposition breaking down microservices, communications, synchronous, asynchronous, message-based, API gateways, data management, database, commands and queries, transaction management, which including the distributed transactions, distributed caching. We have deployments with containers and orchestrators, and lastly we will see microservices resilience as a vertical considerations. We will apply microservice design and patterns according to these considerations, refactor our architecture with different aspects of the microservices pillars.